As I mentioned, I did end up going with some welds, so you know, you obviously. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today we're going to quickly, in just a second, unbox Clifford's drag pack. As I mentioned in the last video, Clifford is still out in Billing, Montana. I will be picking him up very soon, but in preparation for finally hitting boost and having him tune and finally getting everything ready for him to actually come back, I decided to pull the trigger and get a drag pack. Unfortunately, we are not going to be running any skinnings in the front. I will be planning on ordering some here in the near future. But for the time being, let's go ahead and unbox the drag pack. Let's see what we're running in the rear, and also we're going to be installing the tires, so join me in the journey, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the new setup that we're going to be running on Clifford. Let me know if you guys run any drag pack on your S550. What are you running? Are you running Welds, VMS, Forge Star? Just let me know what you guys like, and yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this sucker. Alrighty guys, so in preparation for the video, I've already went ahead and taken off the tape, already taken off the label, so that way you guys don't know where I live. But regardless, I haven't actually seen the tire yet, or the wheel I should say, so we're going to be looking at this at the same time. Get your Weld stickers, all neat and dandy. I don't think I'm actually going to put any of these on my cart, but wow, they actually package this very nice. Let me know, guys, in the comment section what kind of welds you think these are. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with the thumbnail yet, so you guys might already know and you guys might not, but let me know. Is it the standard ones that everyone runs, or, yeah, let me know. Oh my god. And you can already see them a little bit. Oh my god, these look so amazing. Well, there you guys have it. These are going to look so nice with the black and red accents, especially on Clifford, and that polished look, or I forget what the technical term is, but this is going to look so crisp on Clifford whenever we get him back. Alright, well, now that you guys have seen the one of the wheels, let's go ahead and package this back up. Let's put it in the car and let's go take it to the tire shop and get some tires mounted on these, so that way whenever we get Clifford back, we can actually just put them on there and not have to worry about a thing. Alrighty guys, so we are here at a Ford dealership with my friend Dylan. He's actually going to be the one helping me out get these tires on these wheels. Honestly, cannot wait to have them on Clifford, looking so beautiful. So huge shout out to my friend Dylan. He's hooking me up, and by that I mean he's just helping me out getting the tires put on these. Oh, just look at it. I'm telling you, it's gonna look so amazing once it's on Clifford. Well, here you guys have the tires that we're actually going with. We're going to be going with some Nitto 5552G. These are 315, 35, 17s, obviously, because the wheels are 17s. But Jesus Christ, look how huge they are in comparison to my hand fully stretched out. These things are going to be massive and look so meaty on the rear, especially with the tire. I can't wait to look at the combo. Obviously, how to get the set, but this car is definitely going to hook once we start getting into boost and we get the car back. So I'm so excited. Once again, huge shout out to friend Dylan. You might not be able to see him yet, but he's somewhere back there.
off pretty easy though, because I use soap. The top one.
Whoa, there you guys have it. That is the Nitto 555G2 to install on the Welds. Huge shout out to my friend Dylan, the guy who was helping me mount him and everything. Huge shout out to him. And honestly, the Welds right behind me, but it looks so freaking beautiful. I'm so happy I finally pulled the trigger. Again, something I've been wanting to do for quite a while, but was gonna wait until Clifford came back and got boosted. But like I said, I finally got word that he should be done here in a couple weeks, so I said screw it, time to pull the trigger on the Welds. And again, just to let you guys know, we are running 315 35 17s in the rear, so they are some massive tires, and I can't wait. Absolutely can't wait till we get the car, we can actually show them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that b-roll that I did. And again, unfortunately I don't have Clifford at the very moment, so you guys are not going to see what they look like on him. But as always guys, if you guys liked the video, drop a quick like, comment, subscribe, and as always, you guys gotta grind to shine. And with that being said, I hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out.